If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrencies, you may have heard of MetaMask, but is it really the best crypto wallet for Ethereum users? Let's unpack what makes it tick and whether it's really worth your time. MetaMask is a crypto wallet that allows users to manage their Ethereum and ERC2 tokens directly from their browser or mobile device. What's really interesting is how user-friendly it is. The setup process is straightforward, making it accessible for both newbies and seasoned crypto enthusiasts. You can easily send, receive, and swap tokens within the app, which is a huge plus for anyone looking to trade on the go. However, while it shines in usability, there are areas that might raise eyebrows. For instance, the browser extension can sometimes be a bit glitchy, which could lead to frustrating user experiences. Plus, it's crucial to remember that as a non-custodial wallet, you are fully responsible for your private keys. If you lose them, goodbye to your assets. This level of responsibility might be daunting for some users. Overall, MetaMask offers a solid entry point into the crypto world, but it's not without its quirks. Now, let's break down the pros and cons of MetaMask. On the positive side, the wallet's intuitive interface and ease of use make it a favorite among many Ethereum users. The ability to interact with decentralized applications, dApps, is also a major draw as it opens up a world of potential. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Some users report occasional bugs, particularly with the browser extension, which can be frustrating. Additionally, the fact that you must manage your own private keys can be a double-edged sword, great for security, but a real headache if you're not careful. Furthermore, if you're looking for features like multi-chain support or advanced trading tools, you might find MetaMask lacking. It's really geared towards Ethereum and its ecosystem, so if you're into other cryptocurrencies, you may want to look elsewhere. In conclusion, if you're an Ethereum user looking for a straightforward wallet, MetaMask is definitely worth considering. Just keep in mind the responsibility that comes with managing your own keys and the potential for hiccups in the interface. If you're after a more robust multi-chain experience though, you might want to explore other options.